My name is Josh Shachar. I came from Israel in 1980 as a Fulbright scholar and started a very interesting journey of working for the US Department of Defense.
I spent 12 years in military electronics.
Came from the video game industry originally.
I programmed the ET ride for Universal Japan.
I designed the large power converter, which ended up testing the space shuttle itself.
I've done some work in artificial intelligence.
Worked on the Disney California Adventure theme park.
I've always been involved with different techie kind of projects, but this is the first one where it's actually going to benefit people directly.
When you enter to the door of this establishment or this building, you'll find Engineered Magnetic and Idel Engineering Development Corporation aerospace companies.
Part of the equipment that I've worked on varied all the way from relatively simple sensors to equipment that went on board of satellites.
Pharmacognisis, which is smart delivery devices.
Josh, being a very intuitive person, he was thinking how he can find a way to prevent or cure cancer.
I want to help this medical field develop with the technology, and this company is exact fit for my inspiration.
Not only is it extending patients' lives, but improving the quality of their life while they're fighting cancer.
And Magnetech, which is a robotically guided system using magnetics. I said to myself, there must be a better way to guide and navigate tools within the body without this really traumatic cutting and the dependency on the dexterity of the physician.
We are treating magnetic fields as if it's light, basically lensing the magnetic field so that it bends in the direction of the patient and specifically in the shapes that are necessary to guide a catheter, which is placed within the heart.
The beating heart is a moving object. The catheter is the moving object. To try to get both of them synchronized manually through the eye coordination of a physician through an X-ray is basically a task that takes a lot more than luck.
Now in our case, we're taking that all out and transferring it into what we call the digital realm, into the video game realm.
The idea is that robotic can solve a lot of the dexterity of the surgeon's movement into a machine language, which we have done so eloquently with the system that we have currently.
And because it's in the digital realm, because it's being controlled by a computer, it's accurate, repeatable, and not only that, safe.
We hope to extend it to other fields of use, whether it's neurology or removal of tumors, seizures, epileptic seizures and others, OBGYN.
If we can put a magnet on a tool, we can guide it.
Josh is a vanguard.
Highly creative. Just keeping up with him at times is challenging.
Sometimes I think that he's my mentor.
This company started at $50,000, is now a company that is valued at $150 million. This is the legacy of this organization.
I really believe in it, and it's something that can change the future.
It was just very exciting to be pioneering something so revolutionary.
A system that's going to benefit humanity. It's going to take medical technology to a whole new level. I can't compare that to anything else I've done.
It's not about technology, not about money, it's about the patients. Can we do it better without the injury that's associated with cutting and invasive surgery?